Yo.
I got the.
What?
You gonna get lost.
They paid you for that?
I wish. What happened? We got maps. We ain't gonna get lost now, boy.
Yo, start walking down and sell it for like $5 each. Yo, sell it for $5 each. Oh god, I swear.
Give me one too. I'm like, you want one? She's like, sure. I'm like, okay. In the car in front of it, she's like, you giving out coffee too? I'm like, I wish.
Oh
I've
god.
been trying to flirt with my man.
She had a husband and this girl, right? Are we gonna go to the
It's Kate's Cove.
The part where we were supposed to stop and walk through the trail that people were walking, that's where we were gonna stop.
Ooh, guys.
I thought we were gonna go all the way up there to another freaking
Bears are
trail.
active in this area.
They said that last time.
No,
That
they
area.
have signs now. They're like, I see them. They can take care of kids.
Oh,
They're like news.
Oh, they are? Hey! Hey, what part of Florida?
Wow.
They are paying attention.
Anyway, guys, we just saw some deer. I'm gonna throw up the pictures right here, and also this picture right here. Focus. 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 There we go. So, I'm gonna recreate that picture, but in the fall. You see how all the leaves are changing and everything, guys? So, I gotta get that picture perfect. I gotta try and find the exact spot where it's at. So yeah, peace. Warning, something nasty I'm about to show you guys. Skip to this right here if you don't want to. I'm about to show you something nasty. Skip to this number right here if you don't want to see it. So guys, there's some bear poop and it's fresh, so we're thinking that it has to be somewhere around here. There's a squirrel over there, and we're all trying to stay in a group together because we don't know what happened or where the bear is. He's probably, my parents are saying, he's taking a shower right there in the thing. Oh, I just stepped into some water. But anyway, guys, we're hiking up Abrams Falls, and I'm chilling. This is so nice. It's like, it's not as hard as Chimney Tops. If you guys saw the Chimney Tops video, this isn't as hard as Chimney Tops. I feel like there's like less inclination here. This one's more like relaxing and easy, like just like a flat walk. Growth factor advisory. Growth factor advisory, guys. Anyway, I'll see you guys as we get higher. Peace.
But G-Man Plays is up there with his brother. They're crazy.
So, we climbed up here from down there. From down there. It may not seem like a big drop, but
That shit was a hard climb.
that was kind of hard. Anyway, so now we're gonna figure out how we get down from here. This water, honestly. Yo, look at that.
Hey, we probably could have came down from here.
From here, that's what I was saying. Guys, look at that. That looks crazy, guys. Anyway, so we came up here, and now we gonna figure out how we gonna get down. So I'll see y'all when we get to the bottom. Guys, so we're over here, and I don't know if you guys can hear, but the floor is kind of hollow. That's in like a little cutout. And we're kind of wondering what we think it is there. What do you think it is, sir?
Hey, man, they call me a conspiracy theorist, boy, but
We think it's aliens.
straight up.
Aliens, because that's hollow. Why would the floor
Why would
be
a mountain
hollow?
be hollow inside unless it's caves, bro?
Right? But it wouldn't even sound like that because the walls in the cave
Exactly,
would
it
be
would be
really
still
thick.
thick. So what's going on down there? What y'all think?
Aliens.
You let me know in the comments.
Aliens, let us know in the comments. I'll pin your comment.
What happened?
Alright guys, so I just turned the corner and I started to see cars. I'm so happy. I'm so drained. Last night I was up till like 2 in the morning editing, guys. It may not seem like editing is hard, guys, but it's hard. I don't even want to sound like a complainer, but it's kind of hard, especially when you have technical difficulties and all this other stuff. But yeah, guys, I don't know if you guys remember this from the beginning of the video. So we're over here at the end. Oh, we finished, guys. Or well, I finished right now. I legit have just been walking fast, walking, because we do have sandwiches that we can make in the car, you know, ham, turkey, chicken, like sliced chicken, cheese, a bunch of other stuff. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I'm about to eat because your boy is hungry. And honestly, this hike has been a lot of fun. I think we're gonna go do one more hike, but I think I'll put that in a separate video since I already have a lot of footage here with this vlog already. But yeah, that being said, guys, I will see y'all when we go to the next hike. This is amazing, guys. You walk out from a hike and you get to see this stuff right here. Just views on views on views. Not this stuff right here, but the view way over there. It's so nice. I'm so ready to get in the truck right now. I just want to go to sleep, take a nap or something. But yeah, I don't know if you guys knew or saw, but a guy actually fell. So they have all the park rangers here. They're all about to go up and help him. They have the rescue team here. So they're all kind of just waiting until he gets back. And yeah, we saw a few of them going to rescue him because I think he slipped and fell. But yeah, guys, we're done. I'm waiting for Joe, Sully, Mom, Dad. I'm gonna go chill in the car. We got these views. These trees are amazing, guys. I'm from Florida, so it may sound like I'm going crazy, but these trees just are amazing. They're just all the colors changing. So good, guys. So yeah, peace out. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys remember this video. What was that? The Gatlinburg video. We were here at Pepper Palace. We were trying all these hot sauces and stuff. But we're back again. We're getting more hot sauce because this stuff
It's fire.
is fire.
Literally fire.
It's fire, guys. So I'm gonna try a few more. I'll show you guys which ones I tried.
Ghost pepper's pretty good.
The ghost pepper? I'm
Yeah.
gonna try it. I'll show y'all in a little bit. Peace. I'm out here editing this video and I realized that I never recorded an outro. And that was kind of the end of the video. This one was a bit shorter. Tomorrow's video is gonna be a lot longer, guys. We did Cades Cove again. We got there super early in the morning. We did Laurel Falls, we did Grotto Falls, and then we came home. We did 2 mountain coasters and came back. So yeah, tomorrow's video is gonna be action packed. Let me know if you guys think I should split it up into 2 videos, if you guys would like to see that. If you guys would like to see that, I would actually be posting them both on the same day. I just want to know what you guys want to see. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, drop a like, turn on those post notifications, and make sure that you comment down below. All that stuff helps me understand what you guys are thinking. So please like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.